So you're curious about brow lamination?
It seems to be quite the buzzword these days.
Yeah, it is. This article, Why Brow Lamination is My New Obsession, it really piqued my interest, you know? I mean, who wouldn't want to wake up with those, like, perfect brows every morning?
Right.
But I also want to get past the hype.
Absolutely.
And figure out what it's really all about.
Well, let's break it down. The appeal of brow lamination, it really ties into this larger trend.
Yeah.
Simplifying our beauty routines.
Okay.
People are busier than ever, right?
Mm-hmm.
And they want solutions that offer maximum impact, minimal effort.
Right, like that effortless chic look. Everyone's after that.
Exactly. And that's essentially what brow lamination is promising. It's a semi-permanent way to get those sculpted, perfectly groomed brows. They used to require like a whole arsenal of products and tools.
Okay, so it's all about streamlining our morning routine, but how does it actually work?
Yeah.
The article mentions this semi-permanent gel manicure idea.
Right.
Which sounds intriguing, but also a little confusing.
Yeah, well, the analogy is apt in the sense that it does involve a chemical process that alters the structure of the hair.
Wait, chemicals? On my eyebrows?
It sounds more intense than it is.
Okay.
Essentially, a solution containing a type of thioglycolate. It's applied to the brow hairs. Thioglycolate, it's a chemical. It's actually commonly used in hair perming solutions.
So like a perm, but for your brows?
Precisely. It works by breaking down the bonds in your hair shafts, allowing them to be reshaped, and then they're fixed in this new direction.
Okay, that makes sense. But if we're using similar chemicals to a perm, I mean, are there any risks involved?
That's where choosing a reputable salon or a high-quality kit, if you're going that route, the at-home route, is crucial.
And I'm guessing, like, reading those instructions carefully is non-negotiable.
Absolutely. The article mentioned a few DIY disasters, and you definitely want to avoid those.
Yeah.
We're talking about delicate skin.
Yeah.
But if done correctly, the results could be pretty remarkable. You get those sculpted, lifted brows that are essentially ready to go, minimal effort, for weeks.
Weeks of low-maintenance brow. Okay, you've officially got my attention, but walk me through the actual process. What does a brow lamination appointment actually involve?
So typically it starts with a thorough cleansing of the brows.
Okay.
Just to remove any makeup or residue.
Right.
That ensures that the solution can fully penetrate the hairs.
Makes sense. You want a clean slate? Then what?
Next comes the application of the perming solution.
Okay.
It's carefully brushed onto the brows and shaped in the desired direction.
Okay.
Usually a more lifted, brushed up look.
So there's like some artistry involved here. It's not just like slapping on chemicals.
Absolutely. The technician will essentially sculpt your brows into that ideal shape.
Right.
This is where their skill and experience really come into play.
Yeah, I can imagine those DIY disasters happening if you're not careful with that application.
Exactly. Once the solution is applied, there's usually a waiting period, around 10 to 15 minutes.
Gotcha.
The article mentioned a mini greenhouse effect.
Yes.
This is where that comes in. They'll often apply a layer of plastic wrap over the brows. It helps the solution really work its magic.
So you're like creating this little sauna for your brows.
Pretty much. The warmth helps to break down those bonds in the hair shafts more effectively. Then, once the timer's up, they'll apply a neutralizing solution
Okay.
to stop the perming process and lock in that new shape.
That makes sense. So it's a two-step process with the perming and the neutralizing solutions. And then voila, perfectly laminated brows.
Not quite voila just yet. There's usually a nourishing oil applied as well,
Oh, right.
just to condition the brows after the treatment.
Right, because all those chemicals probably aren't that great for your skin.
Exactly. And it's not just about counteracting any potential dryness. Remember we talked about how brow lamination kind of taps into that desire for gentle products?
Yes.
Well, many salons and at-home kits are now emphasizing vegan and cruelty-free formulas.
Oh, interesting. So it's not just about convenience and aesthetics. There's an ethical component, too.
Absolutely. And I think that's something that resonates with a lot of people these days. You know, they want products that align with their values. That extends to their brow care as well.
Yeah, totally. So we've got the vegan aspect covered, but what about aftercare? Are there like any rules that you need to follow once you've got those like perfectly laminated brows?
Yes, absolutely. The aftercare is crucial for ensuring the longevity of the treatment.
Okay.
And avoiding any complications. For the first 24 hours, it's essential to keep your brows completely dry.
Okay.
That means no swimming, no sweating at the gym, and yes, as the article humorously pointed out, no sobbing over rom-coms.
Okay, that's actually a good point. I hadn't even thought about things like water and sweat affecting the results.
Yeah, it's all about letting those newly restructured brow hairs settle into their new shape without any interference. And speaking of shape, that brings us to the question of longevity.
Okay,
How long does this brow transformation actually last?
so spill the beans. How long can I expect these, like, magically sculpted brows to last?
Well, it's not quite permanent magic, unfortunately.
Yeah.
But you can typically expect the results to last, anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks,
Okay.
depending on, factors like your hair growth cycle and how diligently you follow those aftercare instructions.
4 to 6 weeks. Not too shabby. Considering we're talking about, like, reshaping those brow hairs without any plucking, any trimming.
Exactly. It's a relatively short commitment for a significant aesthetic payoff.
Right.
And if you think about the time you'll save each morning, those weeks become even more appealing.
Right. No more brow gels, pencils, pomades. Just wake up and go.
Speaking of which, this article makes it sound like the results are pretty much instant. Is that accurate?
Yeah, you'll see a noticeable difference immediately after the treatment. Your brows will look fuller, more defined, perfectly groomed.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, last question. And this might sound silly, but I have to ask, are there any downsides?
Well, as with any beauty treatment, there are always potential risks, however small.
Right.
We talked about the importance of choosing reputable salons and products.
Yeah.
Because improper techniques or low-quality solutions, that can lead to irritation, dryness, even damage to the brow hairs.
So doing your research beforehand is key.
Absolutely. It's also crucial to be upfront with your technician about any allergies or sensitivities you have, especially if you're prone to reactions around the eye area. Good point. Better safe than sorry, especially when it comes to your brows.
Exactly. And remember, even with the most experienced technician and the highest quality products, everyone's skin and hair reacts differently. It's always a good idea to do a patch test, 24 hours before the treatment, just to rule out any potential allergic reactions.
Okay, that makes sense. Small step, that can save you a lot of trouble later on.
Precisely. And, thinking about this, like growing popularity of treatments like brow lamination, it really highlights this fascinating shift in how we approach beauty and self-care these days.
Oh, tell me more.
It's like we're moving away from those time-consuming multi-step routines,
Right.
and gravitating towards smarter, more efficient solutions that enhance our natural features.
It's like that saying, work smarter, not harder, but for our beauty routines.
Yes. And it goes beyond just saving time, right? I think there's this growing desire for authenticity, like embracing what we were naturally given, even if it takes a little enhancement to bring it out.
Right. It's about feeling confident and comfortable in our own skin without relying on, a ton of artifice.
Exactly. And who knows, maybe this trend towards low-maintenance beauty is just the beginning of a larger shift towards simplicity, intentionality, and other areas of our lives as well.
Okay, wow. Now you've got me thinking. Well, listeners, it sounds like brow lamination is more than just a passing fad. It's a beauty treatment that speaks to our desire for efficiency, self-acceptance, and maybe even a little bit of brow magic.
And remember, whether you're considering brow lamination or any other beauty treatment, the key is to do your research, choose wisely, and really prioritize the health and well-being of your skin and hair. After all, true beauty radiates from within, perfectly sculpted brows or not.
Beautifully said. And there you have it, folks. Another deep dive successfully navigated. Don't forget to share your thoughts on brow lamination with us on social media using #DeepDiveBrows. We'd love to hear your experiences and maybe even see a few before and after photos of those beautifully laminated brows. Until next time.